If homework struggles are a common issue in your house, this video offers some helpful strategies. We'll explore alternative approaches to managing homework challenges.
It's another night of homework, and you are frustrated, and quite frankly, exhausted. The next thing you know, your child is in tears and shutting down. Does this scene sound familiar? Know that you are not alone. Your child is most likely not doing this on purpose. They are actually struggling. Struggles often stem from skill gaps, being overwhelmed, fatigue, or a lack of confidence. Homework struggles usually fall into 4 types: skill gaps, executive function gaps, fatigue, and confidence gaps. Let's break these down clearly. A skill gap means your child truly does not understand the academic content. This is not about effort. It is about missing knowledge or incomplete mastery. Skill gaps require instruction, not pressure. Executive function is the brain's management system. It controls planning, organizing, starting tasks, and managing time. An executive function gap means they may understand the content, but cannot organize themselves to do it. Executive function gaps require structure, not lectures. Fatigue is mental exhaustion. Children spend 6 to 8 hours a day focusing, listening, regulating behavior, and navigating social dynamics. By the time they get home, their cognitive tank may be empty. Fatigue requires restoration, not criticism. A confidence gap happens when a child believes they cannot do something, even when they have the ability. This is mindset, not skill. Confidence gaps require reassurance and mastery experiences, not pressure. So what can you do? Ask specific questions like, show me the first problem you understand, to diagnose the problem without escalating the situation. If you are getting useful information, please like, share, and subscribe. We need you so that we can keep going.
When explaining something repeatedly doesn't help, step away and calmly return. Remember, you set the tone. It's okay to feel tired, but maintaining a calm presence is key. Instead of hovering, lecturing, or comparing, try these strategies. Break the work into manageable chunks. Use a timer for focused work periods. Teach them how to start, like circling directions or underlining keywords. This helps teach thinking skills. Creating a consistent, set place for homework is powerful. This office doesn't need to be elaborate and does not need to be an office at all. It may be a set chair at the table nightly, or in the case of students who need to work somewhere other than their home, it can simply be a clipboard. The point is consistency and organization. Great organizational and homework tools can be found at the Dollar Tree, Dollar General, or thrift stores. This simple routine shows that schoolwork is important.
If homework is stressful, remember that you are not a bad parent and your child is not a bad student. You're helping them form healthy habits, and sometimes that is just hard. Strategy and structure will help you and your child stay steady. Remember, you are here to raise confident, capable learners. Also, Learnova is always here. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And if there is a specific subject you want us to cover, place that in the comment section so that we can help.